welcome back to my channel. This is Connie, and as you can see, we are in the shed, and today is installation day, so I figured I would let you guys watch us and see how we do for a little bit. And I'm also going to share some solds with you from the weekend, so stick around. Okay, the first sale to kick off the weekend was this Dunium Burke, and I sold that on Poshmark for $93. So that was an awesome way to start this weekend. The next thing I sold on Poshmark, I had listed this for one day, Banana Republic men's cardigan, sold for $40. Awesome sale. Okay, the next sale I made was on eBay, and it was this Quacker Factory ugly Christmas sweater for $18.58 plus shipping. Get your ugly Christmas sweaters listed, guys. They're starting to sell. All right, up next, I sold all these dollhouse furniture pieces to one person. As you can see on the screen, this is how much I sold them for. That was a very awesome sale, and I am going to ship them all together to save her some money on the shipping cost, and I will be refunding her the overage. Next up on eBay, I sold this Patrick Swayze Dirty Dancing record for $7 plus shipping. I sold this lot of 2 remote controllers for PlayStation, $22.21 plus shipping. Here we have Calvin Klein Obsession, just a small bottle of it for $12.31. Last but not least, for $23.41, I sold this Barely People Maid of Honor 12-inch bear. Alrighty guys, you've seen it. We worked on this and we got what we could up. We ran out of insulation. We only have a few scraps left. We have to go get more. We have about 16 more cavities to fill. So that will be another big bag that we got before that we put up here. There was 11 in there, and then we need like 6 more to cover the rest of the bottom. We still have to get the stuff for the top, but that is not something that we are worried about right now. That will probably come maybe next weekend. We're not looking forward to that. So, that's about all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the sales I made this weekend. I'm flipping amazed and ecstatic for all the sales that I made. This is the most sales I have made in a very, very long time. So that is very, very exciting. And I hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video too. And I'm going to leave you with a little squirrel running around the yard. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.